Welcome YouTube, 2014 Kia Soul. The information center says the battery's going low, so we're going to show you how to replace that. Get your key fob out, push the button in the back and pull the key out. In the back of here is that little slot right there. You want to stick a small screwdriver in it and twist it. This is not a very small screwdriver, but twist it like that. Watch those little chrome pieces or they'll fall out on you. So keep everything on your desk. Pull it up. There's a chrome piece trying to come out. Let's put it back in there. Circuit board's on this side. Came up with us. We're just going to remove that, put it back on this side where it goes. There we go. Battery's right here. Pop that battery out. Go down and get yourself an Energizer 2032 right there. Once you pull that battery out, it'll tell you positive, negative side, but your positive side goes down. Pick it back up, line everything up, and just snap them together like Legos, and put your key back in, and you're done. Everything's back in order and working. I heard the car alarm system. So that's it, 2014 Kia Soul key fob battery replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I know this is a simple one, but you don't want to break that. That could get expensive. All right, see ya.